I grew up in Salem, India, surrounded by looms and dyes. My family has been in textiles for generations. I watched the craft build livelihoods and the way slowly dismantle our environment. Fabrics that drape elegantly still conceal their cost. Non-biodegradable waste, thermal vats, and chemical discharge that turns rivers into archives of our neglect. The global textile market exceeds $1.2 trillion, yet sustainable fiber remains under 1%. In India, $200 billion textile economy, and sustainability is nearly invisible. While global brands race towards circularity, our own traditional industries, saris, silks, and handlooms risk fading into nostalgia. That's when I realized sustainability isn't a marketing trend, it's a material truth. When I began Luxe, I wasn't just trying to make green fabrics. I wanted to redefine performance to prove that sustainability could meet precision. Synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon dominate because they obey physics. Polyester melts near 255 degrees Celsius, holding its crystalline form over kilometers. Nylon, strengthened by amide linkages, stretches and rebounds with 70 cm per tex of tenacity. They are predictable. Natural fibers like banana or hemp are loyal to nature. Their diameters range 20 to 50 microns, their moisture absorption shifts mid-spin, they swell, shrink and sometimes even smoke before the shuttle can clear.
நான் ஆர்ட் ஒலிம்ஸில் நம்ம இப்போ வந்து ஹார்ட் சில்க் தான் ஓடிட்டுருக்கு. ஹெம்ப் லுக்கும் பனானாவும் ட்ரை பண்ணோம். ரொம்ப எங்களுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது, ஓட்டவே முடியலைங்க. இதில் என்னென்னா பிரச்சனை, ரொம்ப வந்து நூல் மொத்தமாக இருக்கிறதுனால ஆர்ட் ஒலிம்ஸ்னால ஹீட் ஆகி ஃபயர் ஆகுது. அதனால் வந்து நாங்களும் வந்து கம்மி இந்த பிக்கெல்லாம் குறைச்சி ஏற்றணும், அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணோம், ஒன்றுமே எங்களால் முடியல. அதனால் இது வந்து எங்களால் வந்து ஹார்ட் ஒலிம்ஸில் ட்ரை பண்ண முடியலைங்க.
They did. The broken end count hit 400 per hour. We learned that sustainability wasn't just an environmental pursuit, it was a mechanical conversation. So we slowed everything down. Old power looms replaced high-speed machines. We recalibrated twist multipliers to 5.2, spindle speeds to 3000 rpm. 2 or 3 saris a day, that was our start. Each one degradable, traceable and honest.
பவர்லத்தில் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. பவர்லத்தில் வந்து கூட எங்களுக்கு வந்து கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இல்லை. என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா வார்ப்பும் வந்து ஹெம்ப்ல போட்டு பனானாவும் போட்டு பார்த்தோம், ஓடையும் அதே போட்டு பார்த்தோம். அதுலேயும் வந்து ரொம்ப எங்களுக்கு வந்து சிரமமாக இருந்தது. கொஞ்சம் பிக்கு வந்து வந்துங்க ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் வந்து ஒரு 30 பிக்கு வச்சு பார்த்தோம். அதில் வந்து கொஞ்சம் துணி வந்து லேஸாக இருந்ததுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் 40 பண்ணோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் 50 பண்ணோம். 50 வந்து எங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கரெக்டாக இருந்தது. அதுலேயே வந்து நாங்கள் வந்து டையிங் பண்ணோங்க. டையிங் பண்ணாததுக்கு டையிங் பண்ணதும் நல்லாவே வந்துச்சுங்க. லூம்ஸில் ஓட்டலாம், பவர் லூமில் ஓட்டலாம். அதனால எங்களுக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பெட்டராகவே இருக்குங்க.
In Surat, weavers once called hemp coarse, but when they saw it flow through the loom, softer, stronger and steadier, disbelief turned into wonder. From Salem's clusters to Surat's mills, Luxe evolved into a bridge where tradition meets thermodynamics. After our first prototypes, we expanded research, exploring base blends, tensile responses and surface modifications. Today, we have 100 plus fabric varieties drawn from 10 plus base types of traditional Indian garments. Our B2B operations span India, and we've recently reached traditional textile retailers and diaspora communities in the UK, Canada, Australia, Singapore and Malaysia.
Hello, my name is Sridhar. I'm a textile retailer from Canada. I've been in this business for a few decades, selling Indian fabrics to the Indian community in Canada. We've been very successful over the years, but with a lot of things changing around the planet and wanting to be more sustainable, over the last few years I've been thinking about how we could start selling responsible products to the Indian community, where all the materials are coming from sustainable materials out there. And as I was looking for the solution, I ran to this company called Luxe, based out of Tamil Nadu in India. I happened to meet their CEO and founder Thanush, who introduced me to their wide range of sustainable material fabrics that they are producing from banana fabric and hemp. In the last year, we've had a fair amount of success out of using their products, and it's also been going well with the Indian community. You know, it's not just responsible fabrics. These materials are durable and stylish, of course, like how the Indian community needs them. So I'm visiting their factory here in Salem, Tamil Nadu, and I wish them a lot of success, and we've also looking forward to collaborate with them more and come up with various products over the years to come.
The sale numbers are still niche. Our saris weigh around 800 grams while synthetic alternatives are 500 grams. It's 4 times more expensive and less energy efficient. Power looms require 1.8 kilowatts per hour while auto looms need just half of it. We need 2 people per machine to run these outdated looms, whereas using high-speed auto loom requires only 1 person for 8 machines. In order to cross the chasm from sustainable products being a niche to mass market choice, we will have to figure out how to make sustainable products more abundant and cheaper. To study manufacturing efficiency, I visited textile factories in Kenya to understand energy conservation and cost optimization. In the UK and Singapore, I studied retailer operations and consumer behavior, how culture shapes sustainability. We have also been experimenting with recycled PET bottle fibers. We've recently launched our own website, bringing Luxe directly to consumers. It's a small step, but one that makes our fabric born of heritage accessible across borders. I started this journey at 15, and every spindle, every failed weave, every conversation has led to one realization. Innovation is not about replacing tradition, it's about reinterpreting it. Sustainability isn't a finish line. It's a continuum of learning, testing, failing, and rebuilding. And that's what the 4 L's of Luxe stand for. Learn from the molecular to the meaningful, labor with integrity and not intensity, link science with soul, industry with identity, last not just in durability but in impact. Because the future of textiles lies not in speed or scale, but in understanding.